Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about map function in Python function series. Map function in Python. What is a map function? The map function applies a given function to each item of an iterable and it returns a list of the result. Now, parameters for this function. Map function holds function in it, also iterables. Now, let us discuss the return value for this function. The returned value from the map function can be passed to functions like list, tuples, etc. Now, let us discuss this map function. Let example list equal to map of int comma input dot split. Now we are going to print the example list. Print example list. Let's run our code. We are passing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as input. We are getting the input from the user using map function and printing the input as a list as the output. Hope you guys understand this code. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.